Fuck off me!
Op 4 neutralized.
Dude, my aim is so good right now! Look at this shot. On the roller. Let's go, Chad! Come on! I'm fucking locked! Let's go! Come on! I'm locked! Like real shit! I get Dokkaebi off my fucking screen, bro. Those phone calls are annoying. Dude, and then look, bro, by the time we get deep in the game, like, look at all the bans that have went by. They have no Dokkaebi, no Ying, no Thatcher. Like, it just gets light, bro. It gets fucking light. They're crashing out good. That's what I like.